Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix this app cannot be run on your PC error. Firstly, check your system information. Go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click to open it. In there, look for your OS name and version. At the bottom, you will find system type. For example, if your system type is 64-bit, ensure that you have downloaded a 64-bit app. A 32.1 will not run a 64-bit system, so result in this error. The second method is to adjust Windows security settings. Go to Windows search bar and type Windows Security. Open it, then click on App and Browser Control. Select Repetition-Based Protection. If this feature is turned on, click to turn it off. Confirm any prompts that appear by clicking Yes. And finally, enable Developer Mode. Go back to the Windows search bar and type Settings. Go to Update and Security. Then click for Developers. You will see an option for Developer Mode. If it's off, switch it on. This setting will allow you to install apps from any source, which may resolve the error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix this app cannot be run on your PC error. If you still facing issues, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.